What's up, everybody? Ali Flores again here with OrlandoVacation.com. So, you're thinking about spending 3 days at Universal Studios. This is our highest recommended amount of days for guests visiting Orlando and have never visited Universal Studios before. But first, if you haven't yet, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you get notified when these videos pop up. Aloha Mora! I don't have a wand, but Aloha Mora. It's Aloha Mora, not Aloha Mora. If you're a Harry Potter fan, you'll understand. Let's unlock the magic tips for planning a 3-day itinerary to Universal Studios. First off, let's start by saying that Universal Orlando has 3 main theme parks. The most popular one is Universal Studios with the theme to immerse guests in their favorite blockbuster movies. If you are visiting Universal Studios during the high season, which is spring break, summer, Thanksgiving, or Christmas time, the lines for the attractions will be longer due to, well, more visitors at the Orlando theme park. This means you will definitely be able to spend all day at Universal Studios to experience all the rides. In this theme park, you won't want to miss the Transformers ride, Revenge of the Mummy ride, Men in Black, and Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts, located in Diagon Alley. If you are a Harry Potter fan and visiting Universal Studios, we definitely recommend you head to the Diagon Alley section of the Wizarding World of Harry Potter when the gates first open, so you won't have to wait in line long. This ride is very popular with an average wait time in the high season for 2 hours. You can always do the other rides at Universal Studios as you work your way back to the front entrance of the theme park, while most guests will be in Diagon Alley area. To get the full Harry Potter experience, you'll want to make sure you purchase a park-to-park ticket so you can ride the Hogwarts Express train, as it's an experience in itself. Ride the first day from Universal Studios to Islands of Adventure, and at the end of day 2, hop on the Hogwarts Express from Islands of Adventure side, as the interactions with the Harry Potter attractions is actually different than the one you saw the first day at Universal Studios. You could definitely spend one whole day at Universal's Islands of Adventure. Popular attractions at this Universal Orlando theme park include Skull Island, Reign of Kong, Wizarding World of Harry Potter rides with Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, and Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. Phenomenal. Other rides include Jurassic World's Velocicoaster, oh, so good, The Incredible Hulk Coaster, The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man, and so much more. During the holidays, the Seuss Landing section is transformed into Whoville, where you can meet and greet with the Grinch himself. This is probably our most favorite character interaction during the holiday season. We just hope you find him in a great mood, which he probably won't be, it's the Grinch. For the last day for your Universal Studios 3-day itinerary, just down the street is Universal's Volcano Bay. This epic water park has been so well thought out that you won't want to visit any other water park in Orlando after experiencing Volcano Bay. When you enter into the theme park, you're going to get a watch-looking contraption called a Tapu Tapu to place on your wrist. What is so cool about this device is that you can go to one of the attractions, use the Tapu Tapu, boom, to place yourself in a virtual queue. The screen will then tell you what time to return to the attraction, so you can go relax in the pool or grab a snack until you get a notification on your Tapu Tapu that you are ready to head back to the attraction. There's a link in the video description where we go more in depth about the rest of the features Tapu Tapu offers during Universal Studios Vacation. What we love even more about this water park in Orlando is you don't have to carry the big rafts around. Universal Orlando did a great job finding a solution for this guest concern, so they built a conveyor belt that will carry the rafts up to the towers for you. Some of the most popular rides at Universal's Volcano Bay include the Krakatoa Aqua Coaster, Ko-Okiri Body Plunge, Honu, Punga Racers, Maku, Puihi Round Raft Ride, and more. Spending your last day at Volcano Bay will give you the opportunity to chill out and cool off from the 2 hot days you just had at Universal Studios and Islands of Adventure. This will reset your mindset before you have to travel back home from your Orlando vacation. But just a reminder, if you're going to be visiting Universal's Volcano Bay, you have to get that 3-part ticket, so it's included in your ticket. If you know what dates you'll be visiting Universal Studios and Universal Orlando's other theme parks, try to get your discounted Universal Studios tickets as soon as you can. The earlier you book, the better the prices. If you are ready to book your Universal Studios 3-day vacation, give us a call, 1-800-641-4008, or visit our website at OrlandoVacation.com, where we offer the best discounted prices. We also have a variety of blogs to help you make the most out of your Orlando vacation. All right, thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.